I gained a lot of valuable impulses for my work at Swiss Post. I think it's very valuable to exchange with practitioners who maybe share the same challenges, sometimes the same problems, and to get excited about the same topics. I personally learned today again that brand marketing and communications, it's just a great area to be in. I'm at the right place in this area.
It's wonderful to have the opportunity to host the event, to have one of the first big physical events again here at our information center. It's very interactive. It's great to see people engage in discussions, to exchange a very positive atmosphere and positive vibe that I feel.
And I think the biggest strength of the best practice in marketing program is actually to have the combination of research and practitioners, and this is exactly what's happening today. We are having a review from the last year's best practice focus groups, and on the other hand we are having workshops working especially on the practices and problems of the different companies.
Yeah, it's always a pleasure being here at the Best Practice in Marketing Conference, particularly this year. Obviously, what really became apparent during today is that people they're really longing for a physical event, and this is like the main also key takeaway for marketing. Besides the great presentation from the Swiss Post from Alexander, who really showed us what to do to transform to a customer-centric company and how to really inspire employees to really live up to that change. So that was really impressive to see that.
And for us it's an honor to host this together with the University of St. Gallen and our headquarters here in Jona. And we really appreciate the ability and the chance to share this with potential customers who are already using our products or who may be interested in the future products that we are going to present. And at the moment we're now running the show points, which is a great opportunity for us to really show also what we do on the marketing side. And what is also very important for us now with the opportunity of the show points to share this with other experts, what we're doing, how do we want to reach out to our B2B and B2C customers without missing one or the other along the road. And that's something that we really like, and we're really happy that we are able to share this with them.
Best Practice in Marketing is our flagship program. We have two strategic goals with that program. First is we want to learn from each other. So academia and practitioners, we want that they learn from each other. And the second goal is bench learning between the different industries. So everybody from every industry can learn something from another industry. And it's not just best practice in marketing so that you try to copy, but you try to see what others are doing, you try to improve it, and then to implement it, that you can have marketing success.